Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and it's time to start thinking about how to decorate your home in a way that is both romantic and fun. Whether you are single or in relationship, there's no reason why you can't make your room a special place for you to enjoy on Valentine's Day. One of the best ways to start decorating your room for Valentine's Day is by adding a pop of color. A simple way to do this by adding some pink or red accents to your room. You can add a few throw pillows in this color or even a pink or red bug. You can also add some pink or red candles or fairy lights to give your romantic room a romantic ambience. Another way to decorate your home Another way to decorate your room for Valentine's Day is by adding some romantic touchings. You can add some rose petals to your bed or add some heart-shaped confetti to your dresser. You can also add some love theme artwork to your walls. This can be anything from romantic quote to a cute illustration for a couple in a love. If you are single, you can still make your room feel romantic on Valentine's Day. One way to do this by adding some self-care items to your room. You can add a bubble bath, a face mask, or even a cozy blanket. This will make you feel like a country where you can relax and pamper yourself. One of the most important things to remember when decorating your room for Valentine's Day is to make it personal. You want your room to reflect who you are and what you love. If you are a fan of vintage or bohemian decor, you can add some vintage inspired items to your room. If you are more of minimalist, you can keep things simple and elegant. Another great way to decorate your room for Valentine's Day is by adding some sweet treats. You can add a jar of chocolate or a box of candy to your room. You can also add a bouquet of flowers or a vase of roses. These small touches will add a touch of romance to your home. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative when decorating your room for Valentine's Day. You can add a personalized sign to your wall or even create a die photo wall. You can also add some romantic quotes or a cute illustrations to your room. The possibilities are endless when it comes to decorating your room for a Valentine's Day. In conclusion, Valentine's Day is a time to celebrate love and romance. Whether you are single or in a relationship, there is no reason why you can't make your room a special place for you to enjoy a Valentine's Day. You can add a pop of color, romantic touches, self-care interns, and sweet treats to your home. You can also make your room personal and get creative with your decor. Remember, the key to decorating your room for Valentine's Day is to make it a place where you feel happy and loved. Happy Valentine's Day. Another way to decorate your room for Valentine's Day is by adding some romantic touches. You can add some rose petals to your bed or add some heart-shaped confetti to your dresser. You can also add some love theme artworks to your walls. This can be anything from a romantic quote to a cute illustration for a couple in love. If you are single, you can still make your room feel romantic on Valentine's Day. One way to do this is by adding some self-care items to your room. You can add a bubble bath, a face mask,